Welcome to UCView Digital Signage tutorial. In this tutorial, we're going to go over how to set up a brand new account and how to get started. So, after you receive the link from your sales rep, it'll direct you to this page where you're going to go ahead and fill out your full name, title, email, phone number, company name, and so forth. Once you fill out this form and submit, you're going to receive an email with a confirmation link. Once you do so, it'll go ahead and have you log into your account. And once you're logged in, this is the first screen that you'll see. This is the wizard that will get you set up. So to get started here, we'll go ahead and click on Get Started. Once we do that, the first thing it's going to ask us to do is to go ahead and choose a look and feel for the screen that we're about to set up. So I'll go ahead and choose full screen. The next thing it's going to ask us to do is to go ahead and create a location and also name the physical player within it. So I'm going to go ahead and type lobby, and then I'll name the location tutorial test. We'll go ahead and click finish. Now it's going to ask us if you want to go ahead and set up the player. So there's two ways you can go about setting up a player. One way is if you purchase a player from UCView directly, it will already be preset. So when you plug it in to power, to internet, it's going to go ahead and give you an alphanumeric password, which we'll show you where to put here in a second. If not, you can go ahead and, if you're using your own hardware, you can go ahead and download the client software, which will go ahead and reside on that piece of hardware. So we're going to go ahead and click yes. And you notice you have two options here. You can either go to I have my own hardware or activate UCView hardware. So if you click on activate UCView hardware, again, once you plug in the player to the display, to power, and to the internet, it's going to give you an alphanumeric password that you type in here. And then you would click save. Now, if we're using our own hardware, it's going to go ahead and prompt you to download the client software here for any of the following OSs. So, for our case, we're going to go ahead and activate UCView hardware. Once you go ahead and download the client software, it's going to be the exact same prompt if you had your own hardware. So we're going to go ahead and type in a password here. And we'll click save. It says, great, you just registered your player. We'll click next. And that's all there is to it. So from here, you have a couple options. You can go ahead and go right into creating content. You can go into our content store, into your dashboard, or go directly to that player that we just created. I suggest we go directly to the dashboard. And now it gives you a clean slate of what you have going on within the interface. And that's how you go ahead and create a new account and set up go through the setup wizard for the first time. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to give us a call, jump on our online chat, or set up a ticket on our ticket support as well. We'll see you in the next one.